Let's talk about switching gears. For about 10 years, I have been experimenting with where I belong in this online informational space. Most recently, I've produced videos on emotional intelligence and self-worth, and I really want to thank everybody who either wrote to me or made comments or talked to me in person about how those videos have helped you. But it didn't still seem like quite the right fit. A few years ago, a student who I knew really well was graduating, and she said, Miss Abel, whenever I'm like wrestling with a question or I don't know what to do, I ask myself something. Do you want to know what it is? And I said, sure. And she said, I ask myself, what would Miss Abel do? It seems to me that it has been evident to almost everybody but me what I should be informing about. Adolescence. It's so obvious, but I needed to get there on my own. I needed to do the last 10 years to get here on my own and really feel like it fits. So I've decided to switch gears and share what I know about the challenges of being a teen and of being a caregiver of being a teen in the modern landscape. My website, christyableTohelp.com, and blog, What Would Miss Abel Do, will be ready to launch by mid-January 2026. I've started drafting a book with the working title, The Top 10 Things That Your Kid Talks to Me About Instead of You. I used to joke with my friends with kids that once they hit high school, they should just put me on speed dial. Instead, I'm opening up to the world what I share in my office. I talk with teenagers every single workday. Actually, every day, because I have a teenager, right? Every single workday. So I have a good sense as to what is going on in their lives and what they care about. For those of you who are going to look for more one-on-one support with your teen, I am reopening my very limited therapy practice. But it's like my entire education, experience, and media skills are all converging just at the right moment. Who would have thought that the answer was right in front of me the whole time?